Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Wuthering Waves. Whenever trying to download or update the game, the downloading is stuck at some percentage like 10%, 45%, 65% or even sometimes at 99.9%. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, open the Wuthering Waves launcher, and if it is open, go ahead and close it. Now right click on taskbar and choose the option Task Manager. In Processes tab also, if it is running in your PC, you need to right click and choose the option End Task. I have cross verified by pressing the W key that no Wuthering Waves launcher is running currently in my system. So make sure it is not running in your Task Manager. Even from a system try again also, if it is showing right over here, again you need to simply right click and choose the option Exit to completely close the Wuthering Waves. After completely closing it, go ahead, relaunch and try to update the game to fix out the issue of download stuck at some percentage. Now if this method doesn't help you fix out the issue, in next step I have a simple fix for you. If you have installed the game onto your SSD, you keep on getting the error of download stuck at 65% or download stuck at 10%. You need to move your game to an SSD. Simply moving the game or installing the game onto the SSD will fix out the issue of download stuck at 65%. If this method also failed, let's proceed with the third step. You need to use Epic Launcher for the third step. If you have not installed it, install the Epic Launcher, click on the library option, and you need to use the Epic Launcher to install the game. Right in this Epic Launcher, here is the game installed. You need to click on this three dot icon and choose the option Manage. Now here, next to the installation, you will find the option of a file icon. Click on it to open the directory of the game. Now here scroll down and find Wuthering Waves launcher. Right over here, here is the launcher. First install the game using Epic Games launcher and then install the game. Once the game is installed, you need to launch the game using this particular launcher. Right click and choose the option Run as Administrator to run the game. From here, if any update is pending, simply choose the option Download and the issue of Wuthering Waves stuck downloading at 65% or 10% will be fixed out. However, if all the method fails, you need to do a clean installation of the game. Scroll down and you will find the option of Uninstall. Double click to run it to completely uninstall the game. Else, right click on this three dot icon and choose the option Uninstall to completely uninstall the game. After uninstalling the game, you need to click on the Manage option, open the installation directory and make sure you completely delete this particular folder, Wuthering Waves J3OFH. After installing, right click on it and choose the option Delete. This will completely uninstall the game. After uninstalling, make sure to install the game only using the Epic Games launcher. Do not install the game directly from the official website. Take help of Epic Games launcher and install the game in the Epic Games, and this will completely fix out the issue of Wuthering Waves download stuck at 65% or 10%. And sometimes the download is stuck at 99.9%. So at this point of time, you need to wait for at least 15 minutes because even at 99.9%, download of around 2 GB is still remaining. So you need to wait patiently until it finishes downloading the remaining files, and it will automatically finish the downloading without any error. As of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching. And sometimes the